Hey guys, this is Colton up here at Corn-Fed Automotive, 15 minutes away from high prices. And you wouldn't believe what I'm offering today. It's a one-owner 2014 Toyota Camry XLE model, which does mean it has all the options. Leather seats, sunroof, premium alloy rims, 4 matching BF Goodwrench tires. I mean, just look at this thing. There's no scratches, no dings, no dents, no scratches. It's a true one-owner car with no accidents. What do you expect? 35 miles to the gallon. Throw 30 bucks in it and check it in a couple weeks. Why wouldn't you? Here's a little close-up of the interior. Super nice non-smoker car. All power seats. Navigation, Bluetooth, sunroof. All your controls are on the steering wheel for easy access there. I'll tell you what, give me a call before it's gone. These Toyota Camrys, they're super hard to find. It's a one-owner car. We've got this priced at $7,900. This is a sneak preview like I promised on each car. We're gonna do a full walk around. Once again, Colton from Corn-Fed Automotive, 15 minutes away from high prices. 319-343-0996.